Okay, so I hope everybody's doing all right. Um, Hope you're feeling okay about everything. I know it's tough. Again, geez, I don't know what to say anymore. This about the COVID thing. I know the virus is real, but the orthodoxy that's being built around it is questionable for sure. But anyway, let's have a look at the Glover Road intersection down here, and I'll talk a little bit about a couple of things I forgot to mention in the last segment was the switch stands. These switch stands I picked up many, many years ago from Alder Models. I'll just show you a quick pic of the label. And and then I'll also show you a photo of the prototype I took on the SRY line on Anasis Island. Because these particular switch stands are really non-functional. They're dummies, so they only have the one target. So I painted a few of them yellow, and the some of them red and some green. But until I get replacements, these will have to do. So I have the yellow um, targets on the sidings. So I just figured that they seem more appropriate there because I know on the prototype that's the way they are. Um, so I'll take the camera around too a bit and show you a little bit of work down on the intersection that I've done. It really changes things. Eh? It's amazing how a few little details, will actually change how we view things. It's really remarkable. So of course, when I throw the switch, the target won't change, right? So, but it is what it is. Yeah, so there's six of them I had, and I have six turnouts, so they work for now. There, I got the crossing gates put in. They need to be weathered, sort of with an umber wash of some sort to tie it all in for the rest of the layout here. But they look pretty good. I'm pretty happy with them. I might change the gate though. Like the gates up around here are red and white. They're not just the black and white. And they're a little bit longer, so I might just add a evergreen strip on there and change those. And then I got to add some lights on the top of this platform here. Now, I just want to talk about the backdrop just in closing here. Very, very difficult thing to pull off in this particular case. I'd rather it would have planned around it more. It was a sort of an ad hoc thing. I know it's what everybody likes to do, but I took this photograph um, right from the site. The problem is you can't get to the middle of the road because of the traffic to take a proper photograph. It looks okay from this angle, but you can see on the right how the line kind of makes a jarring left turn there, but that's kind of the way it is. So as you see where the truck is there, the panel truck, I'm going to put a sort of a fence or a barrier up there and then blend a tree. I got a couple deciduous trees. I'm going to blend into that tree there. And of course the photo's black and white. That was just so I could get the best composition I could out of the photo, and then I have a color photo of it that I'll probably use. But yeah, so I can kind of use it as a guide to how I'll put a kind of a barrier up kind of in here to kind of blend into the 2D backdrop and into this building. And then over here I can sort of blend that away with the two-dimensional relief in behind the grain elevator there. And then I'm working on a fence. I decided I'm going to put a fairly tall fence here, like a 12-foot high fence, which is almost 2 inches, just along the back here, and then maybe just some blackberry bushes along the foot of the fence, just to kind of make that work. It's a bit of an eyesore. You know, it's really not easy to work in this depth to make it believable. Like, I know that, you know, we need to cheat, but, you know, there's this concept of, you know, well, you know, we can imagine what it's like easily when we're live on the layout through wishful thinking, but in reality it's got to pass the eye test, right? And I mean, I think this backdrop idea sort of does. Like the road, it really looks like, I like the way the road looks. That's the way it looks. It goes up the hill there and makes a left, but it doesn't merge too well. I mean, the color is good that I got, but with the road and the photo, but we'll see how it all works anyway. Yeah, so this intersection is sort of the last area of the layout, which I'm so far pretty happy with it, I guess. You know, sure got busy fast though with all the signage. You don't need much, right? Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day. And I also wish that you have a very, you know, the best you can have with your family over the holidays. And hopefully the new year will bring, you know, a better year than this past one anyway. Okay?